Do you want to master SEO and increase your website's visibility? Welcome to our deep dive into the world of search engine optimization, where we'll be pulling back the curtain on a powerful strategy that's been making waves in the SEO landscape: content clusters. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of what content clusters are, how they're revolutionizing the way we approach SEO, and most importantly, how you can harness their potential to supercharge your website's visibility. We'll also be touching on how content clusters can help you establish authority in your niche, and why they're becoming an essential tool in the SEO toolkit. So, whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just venturing into the world of SEO, there's something here for everyone. So, ready to dive into the world of content clusters? Let's get started. First off, what exactly are content clusters? Picture this. Instead of standalone pieces of content floating around in the vast ocean of the internet, you have a tightly knit group of related content pieces, all revolving around a central hub. This hub is what we call a pillar page, and the related pieces, they're the cluster content. Together, they form a content cluster. A pillar page is a comprehensive, authoritative guide on a broad topic. It serves as the cornerstone of the content cluster, linking out to related pieces of content that delve into specific aspects of the pillar topic. This interconnected network of content forms a thematic cluster, giving search engines a clear picture of the breadth and depth of content your website offers on a specific subject. But why is it important to interlink related content in such a way? Well, let's take a moment to think about how search engines work. They crawl through the web, looking for signals of relevance and authority to determine which pages should rank higher in search results. When you have a cluster of interlinked content on a specific topic, it signals to these search engines that your website is a reliable source of information on that topic. In other words, content clusters help search engines understand your content better, increasing the likelihood of your pages ranking higher. Moreover, content clusters aren't just beneficial for SEO. They also enhance the user experience. When a visitor lands on a page within your content cluster, they're presented with a logical flow of content, guiding them from a broad overview on the pillar page to in-depth information in the cluster content. This helps keep your audience engaged and encourages them to spend more time on your website. So, in essence, content clusters are all about strategic organization and interlinking of related content. They're a way to tell search engines and your audience that you're an authority on a specific topic, and you have the comprehensive, in-depth content to prove it. Now that we know what content clusters are, let's explore why they're crucial for SEO. Content clusters, with their strategic interlinking of related content, are a beacon of relevance and authority to search engines. This systematic organization of content is not merely for aesthetics or ease of navigation. It serves a purpose far greater: the purpose of signaling to search engines that your website is a treasure trove of in-depth, comprehensive information on a particular topic. So how does this work? Imagine a spider crawling through your website, a search engine spider, that is. When it encounters a cluster of interlinked content, it recognizes the thematic connection between these pieces. This understanding reflects in its indexing, enhancing the perceived authority of your website on that particular topic. The result? Increased chances of ranking higher in search engine results. But the benefits of content clusters are not limited to appeasing search engine algorithms. They also play a significant role in enhancing the user experience. How so? Let's consider a visitor landing on one of your cluster content pieces. The strategic interlinking guides them through a logical flow of content, from the specific subtopic they landed on to the comprehensive pillar page. This organized journey provides the visitor with a wealth of information, keeping them engaged and encouraging them to stay on your website longer. Moreover, this methodical arrangement of content also increases the likelihood of your visitors discovering and exploring more of your content. It's a win-win situation, really. Your visitors get valuable, interconnected information, and you get increased engagement and lower bounce rates. Remember, search engines are all about providing the best and most relevant results to users. By creating content clusters, you're not only helping search engines understand your content better, you're also providing users with a seamless and enriched browsing experience. Clearly, content clusters can significantly bolster your SEO efforts and improve your website's user experience. So, how do you go about implementing a content cluster strategy? Well, it's a systematic process that involves carefully planned steps. Firstly, you need to identify your pillar topics. These are broad themes or subjects that are directly relevant to your niche. Think about what your audience is interested in. what you're an expert in, and what will showcase your brand's unique value. These pillar topics will serve as the backbone of your content cluster strategy. Once you've identified your pillar topics, the next step is to create comprehensive pillar content. This is a detailed guide that covers the chosen topic exhaustively, providing a wealth of information in one place. The pillar content should be so in-depth and valuable that it becomes a go-to resource for anyone seeking information on the topic. Now, with your pillar content created, it's time to develop your cluster content. These are smaller, more specific pieces of content that delve into various subtopics related to the pillar topic. For example, if your pillar content is about mastering SEO, your cluster content could cover keyword research, link building, and on-page SEO. The key here is to ensure that each piece of cluster content provides unique value. Don't just rehash what's in your pillar content. Instead, provide new insights, delve deeper into the specifics, and offer practical tips and advice. The final part of the process involves interlinking your pillar content and cluster content. This means strategically placing links within your content that guide readers from one piece to the next. This creates a network of interrelated content that not only enhances user experience, but also signals to search engines that your site offers comprehensive coverage of the topic. Remember, each piece of content should offer unique value, ensuring a comprehensive coverage of your chosen topic. This systematic approach to creating a content cluster strategy can significantly enhance your SEO efforts, boost your website's visibility, and establish your brand as an authority in your niche. So start identifying your pillar topics and get creating. Creating content clusters is just the first step. Next comes optimization. Optimization is the process of making your content more attractive and accessible to both users and search engines. It's the polish that makes your content shine and stand out in the vast digital landscape. But how do we go about it, you may ask? Well, the first step is to strategically use relevant keywords. Keywords are the terms that users type into search engines when they're looking for information. So, it's essential to use keywords that align with user intent. However, the key is to incorporate them naturally within your content. Overstuffing your content with keywords can be counterproductive and can even result in penalties from search engines. Next up, we have multimedia incorporation. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? And a video might be worth even more. Incorporating relevant images, infographics, and videos can significantly enhance user engagement. Multimedia elements can break up large blocks of text, making your content more digestible and engaging. Last but not least, let's talk about on-page SEO elements. These include meta titles, descriptions, and headers. Meta titles and descriptions are what users see in search results, so they should be enticing and informative. Headers, on the other hand, help structure your content, making it easier for users to navigate and for search engines to understand. But remember, SEO isn't about tricking search engines. It's about providing valuable content that meets the needs of your audience. So, while these optimization techniques are important, they should never compromise the quality of your content. To sum it up, optimizing content within clusters involves thoughtful keyword usage, multimedia incorporation, and attention to on-page SEO elements. It's a delicate balance of making your content user-friendly and search engine-friendly. Proper optimization ensures your content is not only relevant, but also easily discoverable by search engines. So remember to take the time to polish your content. After all, the devil is in the details. Now, SEO isn't a one-and-done deal. It requires constant monitoring and iteration. In the world of digital marketing, standing still means falling behind. Therefore, it's crucial to regularly analyze your content cluster's performance using reliable analytics tools. Look for patterns, understand what's working, and more importantly, identify areas that need improvement. Then, fine-tune your strategy based on these insights. Regular monitoring and iteration ensures your content remains current and relevant. And that's a wrap on content clusters and SEO. We've explored the power of content clusters, their SEO benefits, and how to implement them for increased visibility. This strategic approach optimizes your content, enhances user experience, and signals relevance to search engines. It's a potent tool to establish authority in your niche. Remember, content clusters are a potent tool in your SEO arsenal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on mastering SEO. Thank you.